Greetings from Shakthi International School. In this video, I'm going to share some information about SQL commands and its types. I'm going to share the screen. What are the types of SQL commands are available and what are the types are available. There are basically 5 different commands types are available in SQL. First one is DDL, Data Definition Language. Under this DDL, we are having create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. These are all the commands we can execute. Second one type is DML, Data Manipulation Language. Under this, we are having insert, update, delete, and merge. And third one, DCL, Data Control Language. It gives grant and revoke. Both the things are executing in DCL. TCL, Transaction Control Language. It contains commit, rollback, save point. 3 different commands. Last one is DQL, Data Query Language. Only it contains select. All the where we are using select query. So these are all the basic SQL commands and its types. Thank you all.